What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you are looking at a 2014 Harley Davidson V-Rod. Guys, this bike is awesome. It's a 2014. Now, it's a little rough in certain spots. I'm going to point those out to you. But this is going to be the cheapest 2014 V-Rod muscle on the face of the planet. Rear tire's okay. It looks like it's getting a little bald there in the middle, but it's got plenty of tread. It's just, you could tell they were maybe doing some burnouts or something. It's got no miles, guys. It's got some spider cracking right there, if you can see that on the rear fender. Some goofy things. I don't know. There must have been a, what was there, like a seat maybe? Like a sissy bar. Down here, the cover's on the pipes. You can see it's dented right there. It's not showing. I don't know if they were going for that look, that kind of like a raw look. This bolt comes way too far out. It's the same way on the other side. It's missing a screw right there. It's got some goofy little scratches and stuff like that. Oh no. Let's see. Oh no, it's just detail spray that they never wiped off. Nice. Yeah, no, so no scratches. Boom. I got these straight from the dealer and they were supposed to have been clean, so. Front tire, it's got plenty of tread left. It's got these gigantic apes with stupid brake lines. Now, fact, actually, the funny part about these apes is because of the way the bike sits, they actually don't, like for me and Sean's height over 6 foot, they really don't make you stretch that much. It honestly is kind of nice. They kind of just come back because the bike has such a stretched out look to begin with. The drag bars usually make you really lean forward. These do not at all. So they actually kind of work counterintuitive the way apes do. Instead of reaching up, they kind of pull right back to you. Some scuffing on the tank here. And the miles are going to blow your mind on this thing. 3,000 miles, guys. I mean, that's just absolutely insane. Got a little pitting in the chrome right there. Same way with the bolt on this side. I mean, here's the deal, guys. This is going to be the cheapest V-Rod muscle. I think it's 9,900 bucks. It's a 2014 with 3,827 miles. Guys, this bike runs flawlessly. I mean, get it and just ride it. Maybe put the bars back. I don't know. I don't mind the bars, honestly. Like I said, 2014 V-Rod muscle. Yeah, the bike's got some quirky things here and there I just showed you. It's like these giant ape hangers, but it's going to be the cheapest V-Rod muscle on the planet, guys. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.